Hi everyone. In this video, we will look at adding integers using number lines. Okay, so use the number line to model the following problems. 5 plus -3. So there are a couple ways that I've seen this done. So I'm going to copy this slide so I can show you both methods. And you can use whichever method you would like. 5 plus -3. One method that I've seen starts with the first number beginning at 0. To model a positive 5, I start at 0 and my arrow points 5 to the right, and I label that arrow 5. Where that arrow takes me to is where my second arrow begins, and I'm adding to it a -3. A negative number will point to the left for addition. So I'm going to label that arrow -3. And if I project where that goes to down on my number line, I get my final answer, which is +2. So the number sentence would be 5 plus -3 equals 2. So that's one method I've seen where each number is represented by an arrow along the number line. The other method I've seen involves only one arrow. 5 plus -3. I know my first arrow will take me to the number 5, so that's where I actually start my drawing. I'm adding to it a -3, so I would go 3 spots to the left, label that -3, and it gives me that same answer. It's just instead of showing 2 arrows, I'm just showing the second arrow only, and I started where the first arrow would have taken me to. So my number sentence is still the same, 5 plus -3 equals +2. So you can use whichever method you want. I actually prefer this second method because my diagram's a little bit neater. You don't have as many arrows to keep track of. Okay, -2 plus -6. So the first number would take me to a -2. That's where I'm going to start. I'm adding to it 6 negatives, so I continue to the left 6 more spots, which takes me to my answer, which is -8. I'm going to label that arrow -6. So my sentence would be -2 plus -6 equals -8. -8 plus 6. So my arrow is going to start at that first number, -8. I'm adding to it a +6, so I'm going to the right 6 places, label that arrow 6. It takes me to my final answer, which in this case is -2. So my number sentence is -8 plus 6 equals -2. -7 plus 3. I start at -7. I move 3 spots to the right, label that arrow 3, and I get my final answer, which is -4. So my number sentence, -7 plus 3 equals -4. I hope this video helps. Remember, for addition, negative arrow goes towards the left for a negative number. Positive numbers go to the right. I hope this video helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.